Hey everybody, doing unboxing. Got my Bass Pro package in today. Let's see what we got. Streamlight TLR 7 HLX. I like the one I put on my Glock 17 so much, I'm switching everything over to this style of light. I'm going to get rid of the TLR 8. Don't use the laser. And these ones are super bright, compatible with more holsters. And I like the switches on these ones better. So probably see a video of me putting these on the shadow systems here one of these days. Hope that helps.